Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm just changing the clutch fan. I've had this one for like maybe a year and a half already. I just had it there because I got the new radiator and the electric fan, so like I didn't really need this, but I'm gonna put it on since my uncle's still um working and stuff. So like he can't like really help me right now, maybe next week. But for now I'm gonna put this on, and I didn't even know, guys, but this one's way bigger than that one. It's the same length and everything, but it's just way bigger. Way bigger. And this is the part number. It's a Four Seasons 36954. So I'm gonna just put it on right now, guys, and that's basically it, guys. I didn't talk about the brakes, guys. The brakes actually work awesome. All I had to do was adjust them in the back. That little adjuster that came out, guys, in the last video, you just gotta push. You just gotta start just screwing it up. Just rotate that little gear up, and it'll get tight. The wheel, after you jack in, it's the wheel's loose, that you can freely spin it. That's when you start tightening that little tension, what do you call that, the adjuster screw, and the tire gets tight, and the brakes are just freaking awesome. Look at this. It would go all the way down. It just stops right there. So hell yeah. And that's basically it, guys. Right now I'm just gonna put that on, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.